We have class material and class recordings here.
In the class materials?
Class material, yeah, I got it. Java to day to docs, yeah. Yeah, Suresh, I got it.
You got both syllabus, right? J2EE.pdf, J2SE.pdf.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Suresh, did you find Hari here?
So I cannot see how many students are presented also. That's why I'm
Yeah.
asking.
I mean, Suresh.
You just came, right?
Yeah.
Yes. No issue about that. Are you able to chat to me? Something like? Are you able to message to me?
Yeah, we can, but
Yeah.
we couldn't able to find the members.
Yes, same thing. Okay. No issue about that. I already messaged the organizer. Let us check it out. And yes, can you work from NetBeans or something like Eclipse? Which ID you want?
It's your wish. Suresh, actually, I'm been working on Eclipse.
Okay.
If you don't mind, can you work on NetBeans?
Sure. Both are IDEs. Don't worry about. Both
Yeah,
are
sure.
NetBeans. These IDEs only. For downloading these NetBeans,
It takes time, I think.
yes.
Still.
My NetBeans module is 8.0.1. Okay, it is been opening. Before that, you want to download means you can download from here. netbeans.org, and don't install only JTSE, JTE. Try to install all. Click on download all. Are you able to see it, right?
No.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, your screen sharing is not working. Yeah.
Now, now you are able to see, right?
Yeah.
Yes. We have seen J2SE, J2EE, HTML5, PHP, C++, all is there, right?
Hmm.
Click on all, download. Okay, it
Oh.
has something like 215 MB is there.
Mhm.
Okay.
If
Yes.
what if we click on Java C only?
No, if you click on J2SE means we can work with only J2SE. Again, whenever we move to the advanced Java, servlets and JSP, again we have to download J2EE.
Oh, okay. Actually, I just download only Java C.
No,
Okay.
no, no. That's why itself. And sometimes
Yeah.
in the JSPs and advanced Java, we are working with HTML also. At that
Mm-hmm.
time, we face problem. Again, we have download HTML5 or JavaScript.
Okay.
Okay, if you download means all means you can work also with say C, C++, CPHP, all the softwares you can work with that. It is better, right?
Yeah, that's good.
Yes, that's why I am asking you to download only one at a time. At time one time itself. That is all download. It will be very soon. Very for the installation also very simple. Next. How the Java is installed. Okay. After downloading, you can get the one something like one shortcut in your desktop or something like you can search it from your programs. NetBeans. You can find this NetBeans IDE 8.0.1. Okay. After opening the GUI will be like this only. The panel, the IDE for looking is like this. Are you able to see, right? NetBeans IDE.
Yeah.
Yes. And here in the left side, we have some list of projects are there. Okay. List of projects, and we have some databases, servers, all the things means we can connect also. The first step, immediately the any IDE, what we have to do? We have to create a project. Guys, careful. Check it out how to create a project in NetBeans IDE. Right? New project. Here we have some list of projects are there. Suppose we have selected all the technologies. We can install Java means normal Java J2SE project. Java Web or Java EE means J2EE projects. Okay. Let us start with go with only Java application. Next. Here we have to give our project name. Suppose, can you give me some name for our project? From tomorrow onwards, we have to work with this project name itself.
First class.
That is a class name, right?
Yeah, first project.
First project. Okay.
Yeah, first.
First. If you find here, we have first project, first online is our project name. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And we have some subfolder source packages. In source packages, it is itself it is created a one package, default package, that is first online, and itself it is created one file also, Java file with main method. Defaultly the IDE created like this. The package itself it is created a package, and itself it is writing a one normal class with main public static void main. That is what the major advantages is the IDE. The IDE will facilitate the user to don't go away, don't give the more burden to the programmers. It will facilitate the very easy way to write the programs. Give the errors in inline statements itself. Okay. When writing the program itself, we can easily find the syntactical errors. Whenever we are hiding, we are copying and manipulating the data code means we can easily do the things. All the things we can happen by using IDEs. Hari, do you know something like this IDEs? The abbreviation for IDE is also integrated development environment.
Environment.
We have to work by using this IDE, the coding will be very easy. See right here, by creating project itself it is created one package and it keep one for Java file also. Directly you can write one thing and execute the things. Just I am writing system dot and here find out. After system you forget means you can check it out. It is showing that after system what are the things are there. Suppose out is there. In out what are the things are there? We have seen. We have print and println. Print we have string is there, printing character is there, printing double value, what are the things is there. Like this I am selecting println string. Hello. That's all. I am writing only one statement system dot out print and hello. My program is finished. That is what the advantage of over with IDE is. And if you want to run the program, careful, please select the file, right click, run the file which you want to run it. You got it right? The output is hello.
Yeah.
Yes, that is what we have to do it. Okay, in this session itself, and before going to the more types, we got inheritance, right? We just started the inheritance concept. The basic inheritance concept is getting properties or inheriting the properties from the parent class or base class to the child class or something like subclass. Okay, that is the basic phenomena of inheritance. Before going to the more types of inheritance, inner level of the inheritance, we will go to the we will discuss about this small topic. You already know, right, what is method?
Yeah, we do.
Yes, we have one special kind of method that is called constructor. Today we will discuss about this constructor. Constructor. The purpose of constructor is, suppose.
To create can we say that it is used to create an object?
Pardon?
Can we say that constructor is for to create an object?
You cannot say that is a fire like that. I will give you that. No
Okay.
issue. The main part, what is constructor means? It is it's a special kind of method in class. It is also a method, but it is a special kind of method in class. The purpose of this constructor is to initialize the variables. That is what the major advantage and the usage of this constructor. Okay, where I can use this and how to use this. We have some these things are there. See, I am saying this constructor is also a special kind of method. Whenever we are writing the method means what are the mandatory things we have to write it? Suppose here I am writing init. I want to take some init to initialize the parameters. Let us take things. I have parameters int a comma b. Okay, got the significance. If you I forget to initialize the values at the time of declaration itself, like a equal to 10 like this, I want to give it, but I forget it. Then what I can do is, if you want to work with all the methods I want to work, it means we should give somewhere I have to declare it. That's why I have taken init method and I declared the a equal to 10, b equal to 20. Like this I declared it. Let us drive this case of add and multiple also, then only we can remember. Check out the guys what I am doing.
Yeah.
Here I have three methods.
Mhm.
Right? I don't want to declare all the values within the methods. I don't want to declare it. That's why what I want to do it. I want to inside in the. I want to take AB as the class values. Yes or no? No need to declare one more time in all the methods. Means what I had to do is I can declare A and B as a global variables like that the class variables. And I forget that the initialization means what. How I can do it? Guys, can you find this requirement? Can you find the problem? Here are the variables are there, but I forget the initialization where I can give the AB values. Hello?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm expecting from you itself.
We can. Mm,
If you want to execute add and sub and mul means what I have to do it? We should
we
create an
have to
object,
create
right?
an object. Yeah. We have to create
Object.
an
What is the class name? First online.
first online object name.
Okay. Something.
First online.
Then
We have to call dot add.
have fun guys. What is the advantage over this
Yeah.
IDE? What are the things are there in the FO class? They are listing these. By using FO, we can call AB values and add method, multiply method, and subtraction. We can also find lot of methods which are existing in this class. These are clone, finalize, object, hash, notify. All these things are the methods in object class. I will give you that. The superclass of all classes in Java is object class. Take this statement somewhere. This is also important. Try to understand superclass of all the classes in Java
Is object class.
is object class. In that object class, these methods will be, you can find it. These things. Clone, equals, finalize, notify all to string, all these methods you can find. Don't worry, we will learn all these things, all these methods in the later classes. Then you can remember all these things. Okay. For now, this is enough for writing this basic class. Yes, here I forget the initialization of values. Then how we can do it? As a programmer, what I have one way, like create one method.
Okay.
Suppose a method called init. Here
Okay.
in this method, declare the values A and B. And here after declaring this, we have to make a call, right? Can
Yeah.
I make a call like this after sub fo dot init? Can I do like this?
No.
Why? When this initialization should be happen before calling add mul sub, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why what we have to do it. We
We
have
have
to
to call
call
it before the methods.
before the add methods,
Yeah.
before all the methods, right? And guys, in this IDE also to save my program. Here I'm going to keep on writing. I am adding content, right? If you want to save this file means we have to add control S only. Okay? Or else we can keep this symbol. Have you find this? Simple?
Yeah.
Yes, for saving the files, you can click on this, or else you can type Control yes from the keyboard. Okay, I done the program. I want to execute it. 3200 minus 10. We got it right. The program 3200 and minus 10 we have done. Guys, just a second. Hello, I just
Yeah.
come back and check it out. For this simple initialization itself, what I am doing, I am creating one more method. That is the one thing. Okay, and I'm the must call this method before calling of all methods. That is what the challenge. If the programmer make a call after all methods, we cannot get the value. Yes or no? That is what the major challenge whenever we are for simple for initialization itself. I need to do all these things, means it is not the good programming. That's why the Java the holders will give the one facilitation like creating a constructors. The constructor should be have a name like class name compulsorily, and should didn't have the return type, and no need to call it.
Oh.
You cannot use FO dot first online. Okay, no need to call it, no need to write return type, no need to define new names. It is by giving that we have to keep the class name itself. These are the three illustrations about these constructors. Check out what is that. The name is like class name, same as class name, and must and should it didn't keep the don't keep the return type. As the method means must and should you are keeping return type, right? But constructors doesn't need the return type, and no need to call. I am saying that as a manually, as the programmer, no need to call it means when it should be called, right? It's somewhere it should be called it by the JVM or somewhere. Who will execute these constructors? The JVM will execute at the time of object creation. How it will be generated? Check out here the syntax of the object creation. First online is the class name, FO new. What did it look like? Calling this constructor, right? Guys, calling this constructor only, right? First online semicolon. How to call one method? Add semicolon, right? In the same way, here also we are calling the constructors. As itself like this only, the constructors will be executed manually. something like automatically by the JVM. At the time of object creation itself, it will be called. At the time of object creation, it will be make a call. Let us execute this program first of all, whether it works or not. For saving this, Control S. We got the values 30, 200, minus 10. Let us change and check it out. We can press Shift plus F6 or run file. 30, 30 I have given. The sum is 60, multiplication is 900, the subtraction value is 0. I hope you are able to see, right? The font will be very small.
Yes, Master, I have you.
Yes, we cannot increase this font, that's why. In this Word and Notepad we can do it. That's why, check it out.
Yes, no.
Okay. And particularly about this is about the constructors, and these constructors also we have some two types of constructors are there. Guys, did you getting any something like disturbance? Are you hearing any one more class?
No.
Hello?
No, we are good.
You are good, right?
Yeah.
Yes, I am getting some disturbance, that's it. Okay, fine. These constructors have two types, default and parameterized. Okay, what about the default? What about the parameterized? Guys, this is the default constructor. We are not the calling, we are not modification, we are not modifying the normal syntax of the constructors. This is what the default constructors, and we can also override these default constructors like this by giving this your own values. Okay, and what about the parameters? And have you found these parameterized methods? Have you seen? We didn't work, right? Guys, have you worked with parameters methods yesterday?
Yeah,
no,
we did.
right? Yesterday we didn't do anything.
Yes. Yesterday means in last class.
No.
No, right? Okay. Let us check with how to use this parameterized method. The concept is little bit simple. Like every time you are getting these values within the program only, right? Let's define this is your main method and this is your main program. Okay. The thing is, I want to call.
Pre-stage area. Okay.
This is what my main method. Remaining program. every time I am giving these values, a comma b values within the program only. Yes or no? Like a equal to b, b equal to, and whenever I have given within the program only I am giving. And I am not keeping these values from main, and I am not passing, right? Now what is the case if I declare the a and b values in main? What happened?
Your screen sharing is not working. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah,
Not get,
no, Manoj, your screen share is not working. Are you working on the screen?
yes, yes, I am working on screen.
No, we are not getting any more moments on your screen.
Yes, we have to create a project.
I am able to see about your audience view also.
I
Check out.
just saw two. I just saw what we call the boxes. That's it. There is no variable. Did you initialize any variable over there?
Yes, I wrote something like program on AB, but
No,
you are
no.
unable to read.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. Just a second.
Users and groups. Adding users and groups.
Just a second. I can close and I can come back here.
Yes. Hello. Hello.
Hello, Sandeep.
Yeah. What happened?
I don't know. I think we also has
Can you tell me
to.
how to load the data using SQL loader?
I think we also have to log off and log in again.
Oh. Yeah. Okay. I'm leaving. I'll get back. Okay.
Good.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, Sandeep, I logged in, but I think Suresh did log in.
Yeah. Mm.
Sure.
Now guys,
Yeah. Yes, Suresh.
yes, now we
Yeah.
are passing values from within the program itself. But what the case if I pass the values from the main and I want to print the values, I want to get the output also to the main, like C
Mhm.
value. What I want to do is in the program, just I need to receive this AB values and do the A plus B. And I don't want to print the sum value within the program. Again, I need to pass it to the C only. Have you got the case?
Yeah, we.
Yes, passing the variables and just passing the result to the main block. How to pass this all these things we have to find it.
Information.
Check here I must pass the variables first, then I must pass the results. How can do it within the programmatically? Declare the variables. Just remove the variables here. Just declare itself. Yes, we declared the values, right? And declaration also it should happen in the main only. What happened? Let us check it out. Whether it worked or not. It is showing the errors. The AVP is unidentified. Okay, I am declaring
The
AB values in the main.
the results.
A equal to 15, B equal to 10, I have declared. But here the errors we didn't move that AB is undefined symbols only.
Yeah.
Cannot find the symbols, cannot find the symbols only. We can it is showing that it is showing the errors. Okay, let us drive with. See, we have to pass the values, right? First of all, from the
Yeah.
main we have to pass it. For that case itself, the syntax I have changed as the main. Within the method, I am passing two parameters. These two parameters you may call it as the arguments, parameters, whatever thing you can call it as. These are the special kind of variables we are passing from one method to another method, from main method to normal method. This is what the exact call it. And as the taking things, sorry, here A plus B only. And as they're taking the values, we should receive these values to the program. Right? This is the next case. Passing the variables and receiving the variables. We pass the values A comma B and we must take the values. And we have to, the syntax for taking values is like this. By using type of the variable, we have to consider. Check out the error gone. The issue has resolved that AB is declared. Our program finds the exact AB value. Okay, what's the case is whenever we want to pass the values from the main, okay, we have to pass it like this, A comma B, and we should also receive these values by using data type.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, if you are unable to find means, you can ask me questions.
And informations are learned.
Like this, we can pass the values. Let us check the program. If you have any doubts means I will clear it after compiling. We got the output 15 10 means 25 115 5. Check out here, check out the
Two users
program.
have this.
Check out carefully how to work with parameterized methods. Both Hari and Sandeep, check it out. If you have any queries in this program, you can ask it. Here we are passing variables to the main, from the main to the program. And where I am printing? Guys, where I am printing, in the program or in the main?
In the program.
In the program only you are printing.
Yeah,
This is we done 50% of our requirement, right? My requirement is passing the variables, something like data from the main, and printing the values, a plus b, a minus b values also should be happening in main. That is what my 100% requirement. Okay.
Yes.
Here we done with the only 50%.
Yes,
Do you have any queries in this partial program?
No.
No.
Yes, Suresh, can you pause the argument when we call the method with the object?
No, I didn't get it out.
Actually, I would like to pass the values where it is f dot add a comma b is there, right? So
Yes.
instead of a comma b, can I add any other values without initializing without initializing the variables in main method. I just want to what we call
See, if we can suppose, let us think C. Okay, and here I am not initializing. You can pass it.
no. What I'm saying is just put int a, b, c in a comment. Can you put them in a comment?
Overview.
Comma C also. I need to put a.
No. What I'm saying is you initialize the value say equal 15, b equal 10, and c, right?
Yes.
Just keep them in a comment.
Okay, A equal to 15, B equal to 10.
Just keep them in a comment. I mean,
Okay,
just remove it.
enter statement. Okay.
Yeah, understand. Now, if now come to the object, I mean, come to the add method. The second,
Okay.
yeah. Instead of a comma b, can I substitute the values like 10 comma 15?
Of course.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
We can
exactly.
also do like this.
Yeah.
Check it out whether it works. Works, right?
Yeah.
Yes. We can also pass the values directly. And
Yeah, that's a fast
yes.
value, right?
Yes. And you can also perform this this also multiplication subtraction. We cannot do it. Adding of two strings we can done, right?
Yeah.
Yes, we can also do it.
What is this version? Okay. So these, whatever the databases we are connecting to the server, these.
So that should be string, right?
These will
We
come
initialize
under the
them.
analysis
It's a int.
databases, right? Those databases which we are.
What we have to keep it?
It's
You only tell me.
string.
Very good.
Yeah.
Good morning, I got it.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
Okay. And as in integers, you can keep multiplication subtraction also. $155. Good morning, 155. Okay.
Yeah.
And one more thing. Yes, here we done the print. We pass the variables data programs, but we didn't print the values in the main. We are printing in the program only. We are printing, right? That I don't want to print the program here itself. I want to pass the result to the main. Got it? I want to pass the result value. I want to pass the result value to the main method. How we can do it? Here the result is a plus b, right?
Yeah.
Yes. We have to pass what I am saying. We have to pass this value to main. For this, we
Main
have to
method.
use the
Return
return.
and yeah, return, and we have to avoid that void. I mean, take that void off.
Very good.
Please.
And here void means no need to return any values. But here we are returning what?
Yeah. So
No, here we are returning which type of data? String
integer,
data or integer?
integer.
You are
No, no,
taken
it's a string.
string.
Uh, so we must declare the method with any return type, right? Either it's a
Yes.
string or int.
Yes,
Okay,
whatever it is.
it should not be int.
Yes. Return a minus b. The return type is integer. Here also the multiplication return type is integer. Now what we have done? Guys, can you tell me?
Yeah, we can return directly. We just call a method only. We don't need to.
See, for add I used string variables, and for multiplication directly I am giving values. For subtraction I am passing two variables. All the mechanisms I am showing in the one program itself. Okay.
Oh, IBM DB2
And here I want to print the values. Here I already written the values. I already written the results. I need to catch it and we have to print it. Yes or no? That's why as the printing statement it is basic. System dot out dot
Who is going to take care of about this? The network
Printed.
guys or middleware?
For dot add.
Okay.
okay. Like this we have to do it. Or else one thing you can perform, load all the values in some separate variables. It is returning string type of value, right? String s1, and multiplication is returning something like integer data. That's why I'm declaring int res1. And for subtraction it is returning integer value itself, int result2. Okay, we hold the values in the results have stored in s1, result1, result2. Now my case is how we have to print it itself directly, whether by printing itself can I get the values or not. Check it out.
Scotch, I guess.
Sorry. So
Yes.
Check it out. That how can I get an output? We used printer.
yeah.
Let us drive println. Good morning 155. Guys, are you able to see the output? Check it out the program. What we have done. From the main we are passing the values. This is what the showing. From the main we are passing the values, and again we are taking the result also to the main, and we are printing statements also I am keeping on main only. That just what my program is doing, just taking the input data and passing the output data to main. That's all, doing the operation and passing the output data to main. Here I am not taking the input data and I am not printing the output data also. Have you find this program?
Yes.
Yes. I am saying it. I don't want to change this program. I am creating one more Java class. You want Java with main means you can create Java main class. Have you able to see it here? Java class and Java main class. We have two things.
Yeah.
Yes, you can create Java main class. You can create first online or something like, you can create wherever you want. Java main class I am creating. My class name is second. Okay. Guys, careful. Once I have taken a class name as second, now I want to change the class name. You cannot change here. If you change here means the value it doesn't hold it. Got it? Where I can change the value?
Right click on second for Java. Tree.
Very good. Then
For
we cannot find the rename. It will be found in refactor. You can find rename, but you can find in the refactor section. Rename.
Yeah.
Okay. And guys, now we have seen the same mechanism. You have seen this mechanism called like parameterized methods, right?
Yes.
Now we can able to see the parameterized constructors. Okay, we done with, first of all we learn about methods, then we have moved to the constructors, default methods and default constructors, then we learn about parameterized methods. Now we can learn about parameterized constructors. Refactor. Okay, the class name is also already changed. Automatically it will change it. And check it out. I need to. What's my requirement? Parameterized constructors. Yes. Suppose I need to write it again like void add. That's enough. And I'm declaring two values. I'm not initializing the values. For initialization, I have taken a constructor. And for printing, pc.add, pc.sub. We have two methods. Okay, let us try with whether it will work or not. It is a normal constructor program.
Yeah.
Twenty-five, 15. I pass the values, A value as 20, B value as 5. That's why I got the add as 25, subtract as 15. This is you are familiar, right? You got this concept, normal constructor writing. Now, how to add these parameterized constructors? Let us drive things. Suppose I don't want to pass A and B values directly in the program. I want to pass these A, B values also from the parameterized constructor. Parameters constructor means constructor have the parameters. This is what our constructor, and I am passing parameters.
So this is for only Oracle, right? What we are doing right now. So like similarly, there will be ODBC connections for. Yes.
We should take it out. That's right. Okay. Let us define different kind of members. Don't worry. Now we got the values A equal to 20 and 5 in mn values, and we have to pass mn values to A and B. A equal to m, B equal to n. Check out these parameters constructors once again.
Yes, I got your point.
I am executing this. I got 25 and 15, same values I am getting. Check out how to pass the values to the constructor. It is very important. Parameterized constructors. Both the guys are got the concept of constructors, right?
Yeah, Bhaskar, I got your point. I'm clear.
Hello.
This ODBC only
Yes.
that particular, that.
Who is saying about this ODBC?
Sorry, Manoj, someone is talking beside me.
I don't know.
Yeah, that's from my side only. I forgot to keep it in mute.
Oh, okay. Okay, fine. Then you can check it out. One more thing. These are the parameterized constructors. Create new folder. Java main class. I want to demonstrate simple inheritance. How to write the simple inheritance program? What is, if you want to write this inheritance, how many classes needed minimum?
Two.
Two classes. Very good. One base class, one main class. Suppose I am creating one class. This is called A. Here only I have only one method called like this. are enough. No need to define one more class. This is enough. Check out. We have a base class as class A. Class A holds two parameters and one add method. Add method holds something like simple A plus B method. If you want to, but in the and I have one more base class simple inherit. Now I want to print adding of two integers. For this I need to write one more time integer a equal to 2, b equal to 3 and or void add like this. I need to write one more time. Instead of writing all these things, what I can do, I can create an object for a, ob equal to new a and ob dot add. Check it out. I am getting 5. This is normal scenario. Have you used any inheritance concept here? No. If you want to implement, means what we have to do is
Need one more class?
extends
Yeah, extends.
a, and here you can also create object for simple inherit. No need to go with for a class object reference itself. Suppose the a class is not allowing to create object also, I may create object for simple inheritance itself, our child class itself, and I am accessing the value. 5. Okay. Suppose without extends a, can I get execution of this mechanism? We have errors. We cannot call the add method in the OV object. That is what first we have to extend it. What it will say extends a means it will copy the JVM copy the all the superclass objects and the superclass methods and variables to the child class, that is simple inherit class. This is normal case like one parent and one child, that is called normally simple inheritance concept. And let us go with the multiple classes. Simple inheritance. Let us move with, suppose if I have multiple parent classes. Guys, I am explaining theoretical concept, types of inheritance. Careful. We have multiple two parent classes A and B, and we have only one child class, that is C. Okay. And this concept is nothing but multiple inheritance. And check out how I am defining the class types of classes. A class is there, we have B class there, C class. We have three different classes, and among all three different classes, what are the things is B is getting the properties of A, C is getting the properties of B. If the inheritance type is like this, means the type is multi-level. Multi-level inheritance. And what are the remaining inheritance types? Do you know?
Hello? Yeah, Bhaskar.
The concept of single parent class, multiple child class is nothing but
Hierarchical.
hierarchical. Very good. And we have one more concept. What is that? Hybrid. How it will look like means we can combine any two of among these four: simple, multiple, hierarchical. We can get the hybrid. By combining any two of above, we can get the hybrid inheritance. Guys, is this fine about these types of inheritances as the theoretical part? Guys, are you there?
Yes, Manoj.
Yes, Suresh.
Yeah,
Fine.
good.
Yeah,
Theoretically it is fine, right?
okay, I will tell Prasad. Okay.
Let us move to the practical. We are already done with the simple inheritance. This is I am writing hierarchical inheritance. Let us define, or something like multi-level. Why I'm unable to create this class here? Check out guys, what's the error? Have you unable to see this? Duplicate class first online.a. Here we have already a class in this package. Okay, that's why it is not allowing to create it. Multi-level inheritance is nothing but, what is that? I will give you multiple later. B is depending on A, C is depending on B. Check it out. B is depending on A and C is depending on B. Just a second. Guys, you there, right?
Krish.
Yes. Here B is depending on A properties. Here what we have to do is, let us try. Okay, in this case I am creating object for B1 space something like OB equal to B1 and OB dot. In B class we have which kind of method? Mul is there. I can able to call mul, and actually OB doesn't hold the concept of A1, but still I can call add. Okay, the same concept. From M1 object I can call it doesn't have values, right? Suppose let us write one method, simple method, void greet. Yes. And now check it out, ML dot greet method is there, and I can also find multiplication as the superclass method.
And
Yes, sir.
add.
Let us check it out. Can I get superclass method also? Check it out. What I am keeping in A class, I am keeping add method. In B class, I am keeping multiplication method. In C class, I am keeping greet method. From C class object, I can also call greet method, multiplication method, add method. All the three methods I can access by using only C class itself. That is what the multi-level inheritance. Why am this two choices I am getting means we wrote two main classes. That's why main method. That's why I am executing. If I execute B1 means this concept. Only this part will be executed. Okay, multiplication, addition will be getting. The output is 6 and 5. Okay, if I execute multi-level inheritance C class, I am getting all the things: greet method, multiplication method, add method. From C class, I can also able to access A class properties. That is what the multi-level inheritance. Inheritance will be gone as a level wise. It will goes to up to n level. We can keep 10 levels, 11 levels, all the from as the base class. What is the superclass of this? There is. It will be travels to the all the child classes. Have you got the multi-level inheritance?
Yes,
You
sir.
got the program?
Yes, we got it.
Yes, yes. You got multi-level, right? Can you write a program for hierarchical
Of course.
as the assignment? You can do
Yeah.
it, and don't try the multiple inheritance. Actually, what the case is, I will tell you right now itself. Okay, and hybrid inheritance also you can try it by combining any two, multiple and multi-level, or multiple or hierarchical. Like this, you can try it. Hierarchical and simple, like this, you can try it. Okay. As the assignment part, you can try the hierarchical inheritance and hybrid inheritance. Now I can tell multiple inheritance also.
Here the class C extend from the both A and B, right?
Yes. Where multiple, right?
Yeah, multiple.
Yes, multiple.
Class C extend A and class C extend B.
No need to write that many times.
Extend A, B.
Yeah.
Got it? A2, B2. A2 has add method, B2 has multiplication method. If I want to print by using multiplication object itself, multiple inheritance object, I want to access I want to call add and I want to call okay. Now for all the syntax is extends A comma B. It is enough. Okay, guys, check it out. What's the error? Create subclass, and we are not, the Java doesn't allow a multiple inheritance in Java. Check out the cases here. That's why I didn't say earlier as the first thing multiple. In Java, multiple inheritance concept is eliminated or avoided, whatever you can say. Multiple inheritance is not there in Java. Why? What is the case it? Check it out. Here we have two resources, add and multiplication. That's why you have the access. You may write this program also, no issue, no it then you can execute also. Okay, but what happen if I have a, in the second base class also I have a same method, then and I am keeping mi.add, then which add method will be called? Got it? Suppose I am giving the values 20, 30, and the method is, the syntax is, all the everything is same. Guys, check it out. A2 has 2, 3 and add method. B2 has 20 and 30 values and add method. Now I am creating an object for multiple inheritance. Mi dot add I am writing. Which add I can execute and what is the answer? Whether 5 or 50? Answer me, guys.
It doesn't work.
Pardon?
Yeah.
It doesn't work, right?
Doesn't work. What happened here? We are having the confusion, right? Which add method I need to execute it? This confusion is programmatically, and we are saying as ambiguity. Based on ambiguity in the program, the multiple inheritance concept is eliminated. Okay, ambiguity is the confusion. We cannot perform the multiple inheritance in Java particularly. We avoid the things. Have you got things? We cannot get it out. Remaining all the simple inheritance we can get out, hierarchical we can get out, hybrid, multi-level, all the things we can get out. But multiple inheritance we cannot avoid, we cannot achieve in this Java. Okay, we have some another concept to achieve this multiple inheritance, not the classes. By using interfaces we can achieve. Whenever the explanation is going on interfaces, then I can give you the how to achieve multiple inheritance using interfaces. Using Java classes we cannot achieve multiple inheritance. You got this statement right? In Java, yes. Using classes, I am saying you cannot achieve the multiple inheritance. Using for implementing multiple inheritance itself, we have one more way, that is interfaces. I can tell you there. Okay. Have you got the types of all types of inheritances?
Yeah.
Yes, we wrote the programs, we execute the programs also. check it out. I will share the programs also in the drive. Hari, you can find also in the drive.
Okay.
That drive we have already shared, right?
Yeah.
Yes, you can in that drive you got where you got the recorded session. In that drive itself, we have some folder materials, class materials. In that class materials, you can find syllabus and rough sheets, all the things. I already shared last 2 previous days also, and now also I can share this paint and these Word documents and these programs, all the programs, first online, multi-level, all these programs I can share it to you.
Okay.
Okay, and you can also try with, you can also open and execute the programs. But today, install the NetBeans and try the inheritance.
Connect to the data source.
Okay, today we done the constructors and inheritance types. That is enough today, and you can we can work with the abstraction on tomorrow.
Yeah, sure.
Sure?
Sure.
Can I explain abstraction also today?
Yeah, it's your issue.
No, your wish. I can explain, but can you able to
Yeah,
take it out?
Suresh. We can take that class tomorrow. Tomorrow means it's a Monday. Tomorrow means
Sunday, right?
Sunday
For
or
you
Monday?
people, you have Sunday, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want. Okay, we will take the abstraction in the Monday itself.
Okay.
Oh, no class in tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Yeah, we can.
Yes, the Sundays. You want it? Tell me. I will take it out.
What do you think, Hari? No issues from my side.
Yeah, your wish, Sandeep. If you
Yeah,
want,
it's
we
okay,
can
sir.
take it.
We'll come to the class on tomorrow, Sunday.
Very good, very good. We will complete the. Then we have a class on tomorrow, and we will complete abstraction also by tomorrow.
Sure.
Sure, right?
Yeah.
I will copy the files. Please find these files and try to execute the programs in the NetBeans IDE.
Okay.
Okay? And write the programs for hybrid inheritance and hierarchical inheritance.
Sure.
Okay, okay. That's all. You can go.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy.